Welcome to This Just In, a weekly news show highlighting the people and events in Newport News Public Schools, where educators reach out beyond traditional school experiences to provide enriching opportunities for students and their families. When the virtual learning is done for the week, it's time to turn off the computer screen and upgrade to the big screen. Newsom Park and Sedgefield Elementary Schools welcome the weekend with outdoor movie nights for the whole family. At Newsom Park, families were invited to an evening of great food and a fun flick during their Family Masquerade Drive-In Movie Night. Thanks to generous donations from local businesses and community partners, the entire experience was free for families to enjoy. The Navigator staff volunteered their time as car hops, delivering free Chick-fil-A meals to all 175 guests. Before the movie began, Terry Bonner from the Commonwealth Attorney's Office thanked Family and Community Engagement Specialist Emily Peel for organizing such a great event for families to enjoy. Commonwealth's attorney Howard Gwynn, who was a former student of Newsom Park himself, praised the school's hardworking staff and leaders for creating a loving environment for students to thrive. He also encouraged students to reach for their dreams, no matter what challenges lay ahead. As the sun set, families enjoyed their meals and a private viewing of Spies in Disguise on the big screen. In the days leading up to Sedgefield's family movie night, educators safely teamed up to pack bags full of school supplies, yummy treats, and materials for music class. They also organized a wide selection of free books. In anticipation of a fun-filled night, students were able to vote online for which movie they wanted to watch, with Trolls World Tour winning in a landslide. On movie night, families arrived early as cars packed into Sedgefield's side parking lot. With masks on, students were invited to receive their free gifts, movie snacks, and freshly popped popcorn, while literacy-themed costumed educators helped students pick out some brand new books to read at home. As darkness approached, families settled into the back of their vans, the beds of their trucks, or on top of their car hoods for the best view of the big screen. Educators passed out glow bracelets and water bottles as Trolls World Tour began playing, creating a fun and unique experience for Sedgefield's families. Instead of canceling their annual tradition of parading around the school to celebrate Unity Day, Riverside Elementary adapted their plans to make sure students and families felt included right where they are. During National Bullying Prevention Month in October, Unity Day is an opportunity for schools and communities to stand together and unite for kindness, acceptance, and inclusion. After decorating their cars with positive and encouraging messages, Riverside's dedicated staff split up into 3 teams to drive through every Riverside neighborhood across the city. With educators waving and cars honking, families waited at intersections or in front of their houses to participate in this year's version of a Unity Day parade. Students were overjoyed as they spotted some of their favorite teachers driving by. Staff and many families wore orange to show their unity against bullying, while some students got creative as they shared their own positive messages. As they traveled to different parts of the city and visited families in their own neighborhoods, the educators at Riverside exemplified the true nature of Unity Day by including everyone through kindness and action. Sanford Elementary's fathers, grandfathers, and father figures woke up a little early one morning to celebrate the love and dedication they had for their children. To honor social distancing and safety guidelines this year, Sanford's All-Pro Dad Breakfast became a virtual event. Family and Community Engagement Specialist Sonia Tatum organized the morning celebration with Pastor Haywood Barnes to honor all the fathers and father figures that are heroes to their kids. From the comfort of their own homes, families enjoyed breakfast together, while Principal Megan Alman and Assistant Principal Susie Ramirez thanked the fathers for their ongoing commitment to their children's academic success. A highlight for everyone was when kids and fathers were given a chance to share what they love most about each other. Whether it's letting them stay up late at night, catching bass while fishing together, helping with their math homework, or simply making life super awesome, Sanford students had many great qualities to share about their devoted fathers. And the dads themselves didn't hesitate to heap praise and accolades on their amazing students. The families also enjoyed a chance to win some fun raffle prizes during the virtual breakfast. But the real gift was the quality time that Sanford families were able to spend together to honor love and relationships.
Virtual learning is a new experience for all of us. Since learning online is dependent on multiple forms of technology, keeping all the hardware and software working harmoniously is necessary for successful learning. Fortunately, Newport News Public Schools has already assembled a reliable team of highly skilled and knowledgeable technicians to assist students, teachers, and families with any issues that may arise. The Connected at Home website is a valuable resource to ensure every student can participate in virtual learning effectively. Connected at Home can be accessed directly from the NNPS website to offer at-home support. If students are having issues with their Chromebook or trouble accessing the Canvas Learning Management System, personal help is just a phone call or click away. Several school locations across the city have even been equipped to offer in-person technical assistance. Connected at Home also offers additional resources, online tools, and a helpful map of public Wi-Fi hotspots to stay connected to learning. Newport News Public Schools is fully committed to ensure all students can connect, engage, and succeed through virtual learning.
The dedicated Child Nutrition Services team will continue serving nutritious meals and delicious snacks to students during virtual learning. Free meals to go will be available at multiple schools and several mobile sites throughout the week. Monday through Friday, families can drive by any of the participating locations from 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. to receive a packaged breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner. Visit the Child Nutrition Services website for more information. Many families in Newport News have a heritage of military service as well as family members currently serving. Veterans Day is on Wednesday, November 11th. Please take a moment to recognize our veterans and their families. Thanks for joining us for this week's edition of This Just In. And check out more fun and informative videos at nnpstv.com to see the many great things happening in Newport News Public Schools. Thanks for watching.